18.1 meters. So that's part one. Part two, we're going to use the formula for length of an arc. I have to go look it up, so hold on one sec, guys. It's okay if you guys have to look it up as well. That's fine. Okay, so length of the arc. Length of arc is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. So we know our angle is 30 degrees, which was given to us. And we know our radius was 8.5. So we'll calculate that. So 30 divided by 360 is 0.808 0.8333 repeating, and 2 times pi times 8.5 is 53.4070. And if I multiply that, I get that it's 4.5 meters when I round it to the nearest tenth. So our total, we'll just add them up. So 18.1 plus 4.5 is 22.6 meters long. So that's how far Martha had to walk to get from point A to point B to point C. Again, guys, these aren't difficult if you just look at what properties you have and kind of dissect the circle and the problem into different parts and kind of add and subtract the parts as needed. This is it. This is the last lesson of this unit and of this course. And it was fun. Bye, guys.